Ako lang ba yung nakakapansin na bakit karamihan sa mga taong super gwapo and super gaganda is hindi sila aware na maganda sila or gwapo sila. Like, hindi sila aware na they are attractive. Also, even yung mga taong matatalino talaga, hindi sila aware na matalino sila. Like, para sa kanila, they are just normal person. Pero, para sa atin, like, wow ha, grabe. Grabing IQ mo, te. Like, 2.1 million ng IQ mo. That's the reality, te. You know what, you need to realize? Yung utak kasi natin, te, is wired na hindi makontento. Yes, that's why we want more. We need more. Gusto natin higitan yung mga bagay na nagawa natin, te. Parang feel natin it's an endless line, it's an endless competition sa sarili natin. We compete with ourselves. That's why, te, if wala ka talagang gratitude, hindi mo makikita or ma-appreciate kung sino ka or kung ano yung meron ka na yung ibang tao just wish that they have that. Sila din, te, yung mga taong super laki ng standard nila sa sarili nila. And dahil sa sobrang taas ng standard nila, te, if hindi nila ma-meet yun, they feel like they are worthless. But tayo, te, as a viewer, in a third person point of view or second person point of view, te, nakikita natin na they are doing good, na-appreciate natin yung mga bagay na ginagawa nila, te. But pagdating sa kanila, hindi nila nakikita yon. That's why, te, I really advocate self-appreciation, gratitude. Kasi, te, yung goal mo lang, te, is to achieve, te. Kahit ma-achieve mo pa yung bagay na yan, te, na gustong-gusto mong ma-achieve, if hindi ka marunong mag-appreciate ng kahit konting bagay lang or mga effort na ginagawa mo, it's an endless competition with yourself, te, and it's not healthy. It's very toxic. I've been there, te. Like, I've been there. Parang feel ko wala ng end point and meron akong mga na-achieve na bagay, te, pero hindi ko kayang appreciate yun or maging thankful sa sarili ko, te, kasi feel ko kulang pa. Feel ko need ko pa yung higitan. Just a reminder, te, na take a pause and reflect. Like, tingnan mo, te, yung mga bagay na na-achieve mo na kahit hindi ka naman ganun ka-attractive or intelligent, te, hindi ganun sa mga example na binigay ko, but by you surviving, it's an achievement, eh. Kasi maraming mga tao hindi na kinaya, that's why they gave up their life, diba? Try to appreciate yourself more, give some courage more, put some grace with yourself, te, because if nakakapagsalita lang talaga yung sarili natin, te, like third person point of view, nilang inarate kung ano yung ginagawa natin, te, we're self-sabotaging and we're too harsh sa sarili natin, te. I've just been reflecting, but I'm too harsh din pala sa sarili ko before. I feel like this advice is parang super applied din sa akin. Still trying to work out these things. Yeah, take a pause and appreciate yourself as a whole. That's all, mga for more.